The GT600, thank you for the question. The GT600, actually, this accessory right here is built for clamps and it's hollow. So you can get these to take care of the 35 kV interface elbows, and you can get them where the brass inside inside, what do you call that, ID, inside dimension, where the ID is good for 25 kV interface elbows. Okay, great question. Test everything. You could test, you could test flat clamps. We have flat clamp accessories. We've got the big, huge brass round pieces that you can test your transmission grounds, substation grounds. We got everything.